Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how you can get Spudgun, the schematic, and how to craft it in Scrap Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to fight harder enemies and want to have a straighter aim and faster fire rate. So to begin, first of all, you will need to complete some main quests like deliver carrots inside of this hiding spot of the farmers, and then you'll get a quest to make this watchtower, which you can build from some scrap wood, long pieces of pipes, and all of that stuff. And this guy, when you complete the watchtower, he is going to give you the schematic for a spot gun and a gas canister. So, once you have the schematic, now you just need to acquire some metal blocks, which you can get by mining the stone using a drill, or when the haybot drops you the scrap metal rod, just refine it and then refine it once again inside of the craft bot to the metal block level 1. And lastly, the component kits can be found inside of some chests inside broken down buildings, or they can drop from haybots. So this is pretty much all, how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.